Hey guys, Jen from Juniper Overland here. I'm excited to show you the first ever roof conversion that we've ever done. It is on an Ineos Grenadier, the Alu-Cab Silenus. I'm excited to show you what's in this build. Let's hop into it. All right guys, this camper is super easy to open. It's really nice for us short folk. It's basically set up so you can actually just hop from the driver's seat right on in, open it up, and it's great for SUV camping. Gets you out on the road a lot faster. Let's open it up and see all the features inside. All right guys, so with this roof conversion, you get all of the necessities with the Alu-Cab. You get the nice fabric on the sides, the 3 windows, and the storage cubbies in the back on the roof. This is equipped with all lights inside of it of National Luna, the 2 options of red and white to keep the bugs down, and then also the 3 dimmable options as well. With this Alu-Cab roof conversion, you get the 2 hatches that create the bed platform for you. It's the typical easy setup with Alu-Cab. These 2 platforms make the bed up top and you're good to go. This customer brought his vehicle to us in a jam. He is going to the Moab Grenadier meetup, and so he built out the entire interior and exterior of this vehicle for us to do the roof conversion. We were able to simply cut the roof off and install it in a matter of hours. Now this customer is ready to roll. Now the process of getting this installed was to cut a massive hole in the roof of a brand new vehicle. It's a little scary, in all honesty, to do with this MSRP of a vehicle, but heck, why not? We did it anyway. We basically started with measuring out the location of where the roof conversion would sit on the roof, started tracing our lines, and starting the process of cutting the hole. We took a nibbler with sheet metal that nibbles slowly but quickly for us to get that nice clean cut, touched it up with some rust paint, and then put the camper on. Before we did that, we needed to take out the entire headliner. That means unplugging everything, all your dome lights, the front center panel, and taking it all out of the vehicle. Lucky for us, we weren't having to take out any of the interior trim for your A pillars, D pillars, B pillars, all of that jazz. We didn't have to do it, but we were able to get the headliner completely out the back door. The roof conversion mounts to the handlebar locations on the exterior of the vehicle, reinforced with heavier brackets and backing plates. If you have the aux plugs on the side of the vehicle, you still get those. If you don't have them already, you can still add them in the future, and you can just plug them for the time being, and then that way there's no water leaking in from the outside. You get a nice seal all the way around the perimeter of the camper. You get bulb seal gaskets, a lot of Sikaflex, and then basically an interior trim panel that rivets on and sandwiches it down to the roof. In all honesty, this roof conversion is a lot stronger than the stock OE roof. The technicians that worked on this absolutely killed it. Big thanks to them. They knocked it out within a matter of hours for a roof conversion. They did a great job making sure everything is sealed up so we don't have any water leaks in the future. This thing is gonna be good to go for years to come. Thank you so much, Rin, for coming out and hanging out with us. And thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time.